First thing I did when I woke up this morning, coughed up blood. Wow, usual story of chronic illness, feel like shit. So coughed up blood this morning. Sort of head pressure and all that sort of stuff. So I had something really exciting planned for today. So Janine's gone to do it for me. It pissed me right off, to be honest. I'm currently just here, car park, waiting. Just pay for it. It's just like ticketless. It's a bit weird.
There be rain, and there was rain. Let there be rain, and there was rain. On me, everything. Let there be rain, and there was rain.
Absolutely pissing it down. I hope it's not raining more. I hope it's not raining like this in London. It's going to come in London, but I'm in the centre of London because this is atrocious. Like, shocking. It's really bad. Oh my god. Well, it pissed down and now it is sweltering. Is that a word? I don't think it is. Going to get a coffee. This is a crazy building. You get some food and it's disappointing. You just bin it. Sniffer dog. I wonder what happens if she finds something. But she's not a policewoman. Does she call for help? So I like black coffee, but I've come to the conclusion I don't like black coffee from Starbucks, Costa, those bollocks. Oh, it's horrible. Really horrible. Thinking about it, maybe it's because I put coconut oil in it. This hasn't got it.
Ladies and gentlemen, this weekend there will be planned track closures on the Circle, District, Hamilton and City.
Everywhere. So I've had a crap coffee, some crap food, and this crap phone's battery's dying, so I'm going to go back and charge it. Shit you not. Thunder. So right here at the moment, but it's coming. Starting to piss it down. So back in the car and I am melting. Absolutely melting. So, Sonny, how did you find today?
Very fun. You can't go wrong, can you? Walk around with a load of girls in bikinis. Brilliant.
Hard life, isn't it?
Loved it, yeah, it's great.
So this is Rebecca, videographer, who's far better at editing and recording than I am. and doesn't use an iPhone. So Andrew's going. Andrew was one of the first people to enter your elite.
Yeah,
2 and a bit years ago.
something like that, yeah.
Have a safe journey home.
Thank you. You too.
So glad I wore a t-shirt. This weather's brilliant. Fuck that. Look at all that water coming down there. So we've got a bit of a problem. A big problem. This puddle. Which goes all the way to our car. Janine offered to go in the water and reverse it out so then I can drive it back with dry shoes, not slipping on the accelerator.
It's okay, guys. We're in a 4x4. Oh my God! I bet that's coming up to the door. Jesus.
Finally back home. Look at that sun. Crazy. Jeez, that was raining. Proper raining. So I bought Janine some crisps and I got 2 packets. And I think she thought I bought a packet for me and a packet for her because she's just given me a packet back. Thanks, Janine. Yeah, enjoyable time. Obviously, I missed the first stuff, which is annoying. One thing about this fucking illness that pisses me off. It's obviously because I'm coughing up blood and stuff, and I felt like shit. Bloody like going in the underground and stuff when I've got, obviously, well, I guess it's arteries that are bleeding in my lungs and breathing stuff in from people coughing in underground and stuff. So it's best to stay in fresh air. But I had fun in the O2 when people turn up. Obviously just a shame to miss the other stuff. But I've got some cheese and onion crisps to make up for it. But as you're doing my vlog,
Yeah.
you need to finish the vlog with your famous one line.
Oh, right, yeah. Okay. Want me to do it, yeah?
Yeah, right now.
People say believe in better, but I say believe in yourself.
Always makes me smile.